This video is brought to you by Taco 9 Production. In this tutorial, you will have to have the cross on the bottom layer, the bottom face. So you're not going to hold the cross like this on the top layer. It smooths the transitions. You don't have to rotate it again and again and again after you've done the cross. You need to decide what your cross color would be. For this tutorial, I will use white. That's the color I use in real life. It's a logo. A lot of people use it. Now that you've done that, you need to find all the edge pieces in the cross. There are only 4 of them. They have one thing in common. They all have white sticker on it. And you're wondering what the other colors of the edges that have white sticker on it are. There are green and white edge, there are orange and white edge, there are blue and white edge, there are red and white edge. Alright, so how exactly do you make a cross? Well, it's not that easy. Yes, it's easier than mopping the floor, but I mean, yeah. Hi. Now, since there are 3 layers to the Rubik's Cube, look for the cross pieces on each of these layers. Lesson 1. Learn your color scheme inside out. Know the order of the colors all the way around the cube. Opposite colors. Green, orange, blue, red. Those are the colors of the centers around. Example. If I have green in front of me, then white in the bottom. The orange is R, red is L, and blue is B. You should practice it until it's second nature to you. Literally. Are you ready for the next lesson yet? Okay then. U and F2. R up, F, R up, F,